Pocahontas. Thank you for tuning into my channel, whether you're old or new. I appreciate you. So today I want to show you guys a couple of items that I was able to pick up at the thrift store. All of these items are mostly under $5 except for the shoes. The shoes were a little bit more, but I'm going to tell you the prices and talk more details about the items that I purchased. So let's get right into this clothes haul. The first shirt I want to show you guys is this gorgeous blue. This is not blue. I'm not colorblind, I swear. Red blouse with some blue details of flowers on them. There are also some frills on the neckline. It's really gorgeous. This shirt was about $3. It's really cute. It's actually from H&M. Next shirt I want to be showing you guys is this very tropical, it's kind of like a lavender color, and there are some pineapples on the shirt. This is from Old Navy. This was also around $3, and it has a little tie down piece at the bottom of the shirt. Colors jumped out, and it looks really nice in real life. So the next shirt was actually, I planning to wear this as a costume to my friend's birthday party. It was supposed to be 1950s themed, and I thought that the color of the shirt was perfect for the 1950s. But then I ended up looking a little bit like a teacher, which I didn't want to look like. I wanted to look glamorous. So this one was $4.94. This was probably the most expensive one. And this is from Petite Sophisticate. All the t-shirts are around $2. To be exact, where they were $1.94 for the t-shirts. I don't really own many t-shirts, so I just got a couple of very loose, couple of basic t-shirts with not much going on them. And then we're gonna go into bottoms. I kind of regret getting these shorts because first of all, they're extremely large and they're leather and they're pleather. I don't know if they're pleather or leather, but I don't know why I got it. Honestly, I am lost for words right now. I guess I was in this sort of mood when I got these, but these, I really don't wear stuff like this. I still have the tags on them. This was $3.93. I guess I could use it for scraps or for any other projects that I have. I could just, you know, tear it apart. Next item, so we've got a two-piece set crop top. That was a tongue twister. This is from Good Time USA. I was really drawn to it, and I don't know why. I don't know when I'm gonna wear it. It's kind of like a silverish, goldish color. It's not completely gold, like cheap gold, but it's yellow gold. Also comes with the pants. The pants are high-waisted, which is one of the things that drew me to these pants. At the bottom, you can see that the color is kind of dissipating. There's a whole bunch of little holes in here as well. But that's bound to happen because the pants are quite long. Next item for the clothes are these pants. They just give me this amazing feeling when you have them on. So inside the pants, there's like these built-in shorts just to help the pants not become so, I guess, see-through, because it is a white sheer material. The pants are very long. So what I was gonna do is actually revamp it, and you'll see a video coming very soon about what I did to revamp it, how I changed it, and how it looks now. Let's move on to the shoes. Now these shoes, don't judge me, okay? I've always wanted a pair of kind of neutral, nude-ish pair of boots. Actually pretty pricey in my opinion, but they look pretty good. There's just some scuffing on the side here, which is not a big deal. And I like the laces on the front. I think those are really cute and nice detail. And the heel is chunky, which I really appreciate because I don't like wearing sharp or very high heels because they're very uncomfortable. And then I got some very vintage looking shoes. It's actually a miracle that I found these because I've been looking online. I've been looking in many thrift stores for shoes that weren't too high, that were very reminiscent of the 1950s, 40s. And then I found these shoes, and these were only $4.94. They're not the most comfortable at all, but this is not for long walks in the park. This is not for strolling around in the city. I would just use this for videos. This is actually a size 7 medium, and I'm a size 8. Every time I get a size 8 with an opening at the top, it seems too big and it's very wobbly and it doesn't look good. It makes me feel like I have duck feet or something. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful morning, evening, or night.